Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the vibrator motor on the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE edition. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, remove the SIM tray and then take out the back cover. To separate the back cover, gently heat the edges until the adhesive softens. Use a heating pad for this process. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once heating is complete, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the frame and the back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or similar object to carefully cut through the adhesive around the edges. Please note that this process takes time. Next, take out the back cover from the body. Next, remove the logic board cover with the wireless pad by undoing 9 screws. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the wireless pad from the bottom and then carefully lift the cover using a pry tool and fold to 90-degree angle to access the connector plugs. Next, disconnect the battery plug and then disconnect the wireless pad plug to release the board cover with the pad. Next, take out the faulty vibrator motor from the body. For this, take out the logic board from the body. First, disconnect 6 connector plugs holding the logic board. Starts with disconnecting 2 right antennas, main flex, LCD flex, 5G antenna and the power link flex. Next, disconnect the telephoto camera. Next, disconnect and pull out the main white camera. Next, disconnect and pull out the front camera. Next, undo the screw holding the logic board. Next, gently using a tweezer release the camera from the bracket. Next, pull out the logic board using a pry tool. Next, apply some heat to release the adhesive holding the vibrator motor. For this, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, gently take out the not working vibrator motor using a pry tool. Next, place and secure the new vibrator motor on the body. Next, Place and secure the logic board on the body. Move the cable aside and gently secure the board. Also, make sure the ultrawide camera is in place. Next, secure the telephoto camera connector. Next, secure the logic board by adding the screw. Next, place and secure the wide camera on the board. Next, secure the front camera on the board. Next, secure 6 connector plugs into the board. Next, secure the cover with the wireless pad. First, secure the wireless pad plug to the board and then fasten the battery plug. Also, make sure the wireless pad is securely placed on the body. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the rear cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.